1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it?
Got it.
Why am I doing nail the 8 count for world dances? It's because it gives people a variety of different moves to do. Whether you're going to a wedding, graduation, party, school dance, wherever you may be. It gives you a variety of 8 counts to do. I love world dance. You know, it's African, it's Latin, it's Middle Eastern, it's hip hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it?
Got it.
Can you nail the 8 count in 4 tries? I bet you can. Here you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.